Hello and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Real Estate with David & Company. I'm David Washington, real estate broker and foreclosure prevention expert. This is episode 1 of 5. Your HOA can take your home by foreclosure. That's right, the same people that sending you letters about your high grass can actually foreclose on your home. And most homeowners have no idea until it's too late. If you're new here, let me set the tone. On this channel, we don't do lost and confused. We do understanding and well-informed. By the end of this series, you'll know exactly how your HOA foreclosure works, what triggers them, and how to stop one before it's too late. So please subscribe, tap the notification bell, and stay with me through all 5 episodes. Let's get right into it. Your mortgage payments are current. You've never missed a mortgage payment. You are about to lose your home, and it's not the bank doing it, it's your homeowners association. And by the time most homeowners find out what's really happening, it's almost too late. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how homeowners association foreclosures work, why it's legal in all 50 states, and the 3 things that you need to know this week to protect yourself. Stay until the end because the last thing I share with you is the one step that saves more homes than anything else. And almost nobody is talking about it. So here's the wake-up call. Most people think that foreclosure only comes from the mortgage company. Well, that's wrong. Because of your covenants, your HOA have independent legal authority to place a lien on your home and foreclose. A few $1,000s in unpaid dues can trigger a loss of your home worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. You're not powerless. You're just uninformed. And all of that's about to change today. How HOA foreclosures actually work. Here's the actual timeline. Missed association dues equals late payments. That equals liens. That equals acceleration and foreclosure filings. Now here comes the auction date. 1 to 2 years of delinquent dues can mean foreclosure, whether it's a judicial foreclosure or not. Judicial foreclosure means that you're being sued, and a non-judicial HOA foreclosure means the exact opposite. So your foreclosure process for HOAs vary from state to state. Every HOA foreclosure I've seen has been judicial. Why HOA foreclosures can move much faster than a bank foreclosure? There's no repayment plans, no loan modifications, no forbearance agreements, no short sales or settlements. This is not a slow process. Some states allow HOAs to auction your home in less than 90 days. Why is this happening more right now? Post-COVID financial hardships has increased. Many homeowners fell behind on everything, including HOA dues. And the moratorium that put mortgage foreclosures on hold did not include HOA foreclosures. HOAs are under financial pressure themselves. They're getting more aggressive with collections. New laws are on the books to help slow this process down. Management companies are hiring collection attorneys faster than ever. Now, this is not personal, it's financial, but the results seem personal because you can lose your home. Here are 3 things to do this week. Number 1, pull your homeowners association account statement. Know exactly what you owe, including fees, fines, and legal costs that have been adding up. Step 2, read your CC&Rs, covenant conditions and restrictions, and your HOA governing document so you can understand what authority your HOA actually has. Step 3, communicate in writing, not by phone, not through your neighbor that is on the HOA board, but in writing. Here's the one step that saves more homes. Get educated on your rights before the situation escalates. My Secrets to Interrupting Foreclosure System is a step-by-step program that teaches homeowners and business owners how to interrupt the foreclosure process, including HOA foreclosures. You don't need to figure this out alone. You need strategy, and that's exactly what I help people build. Book a free strategy call today. The link is in the description below. Let's look at your situation together and come up with a game plan. You now have more knowledge about HOA foreclosures than 95% of homeowners in this country. But knowledge without action is just anxiety with a better vocabulary. If you're ready for a real strategy, built particularly for your situation, then book a strategy call with me immediately. And check out my Secrets to Interrupting Foreclosure program at stopforeclosuresecrets.com to get the full education and take control of this process yourself. You're not powerless. You're not alone. And in this series, you are no longer uninformed. It's your home. Keep it that way.